Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I am your teacher, Ms. Farheen, and I welcome you all. I hope by now you have finished the bridging with your teacher. Very good. So, my dear students, in today's lesson, we will recognize how different minorities they celebrate their festivals. यानी कि पाकिस्तान में जो मुख्तलिफ religious minorities रहती हैं वो कैसे अपने religious festivals को celebrate करती हैं, हम उसको discuss करेंगे. And this is called interfaith harmony. यानी कि जो आप मुख्तलिफ रिलीजन्स के साथ उनको अप्रिशिएट करते हैं या उनकी रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं, दिस इज़ कॉल्ड इंटरफेथ हार्मनी. तो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, पाकिस्तान में मुख्तलिफ तरह के रिलीजन्स कल्चर्स जो है वो मौजूद हैं एंड ऑल ऑफ देम दे सेलिब्रेट देयर ओन फेस्टिवल्स और आज़ादी के साथ वो अपने फेस्टिवल्स को सेलिब्रेट करते हैं एंड वी रिस्पेक्ट देम ऑल्सो. So my dear students, people have different religions and they should be respected and this is called interfaith harmony. यानी कि पाकिस्तान में जो मुख्तलिफ religions हैं apart from because Pakistan Islamic Republic of Pakistan, लेकिन इस्लाम के अलावा भी यहाँ मुख्तलिफ religions हैं and we respect those religions. We allow them to celebrate and express their beliefs and this is called interfaith and harmony. Do remember that? So my dear students, सबसे पहले जो हमने discuss करना है festival, it is called the Christmas and it is the birth that the Christians celebrate कि ये birth है Jesus Christ की. और Christians जो है in Pakistan they celebrate Christmas on 25th December, ना सिर्फ पाकिस्तान में बल्कि पूरी दुनिया में. इसकी ड्यूरेशन कितनी होती है? Just one day. और लोग क्या करते हैं इसमें? They sing carols, they go to church, they send gifts to each other, they have Christmas trees, so this is how they celebrate it. और celebrations में attending church services होती हैं, they sing carols, they decorate Christmas trees, family gatherings होती हैं and kids also receive gifts. Then comes another festival that is celebrated by the Hindus in the Pakistan and it is called Diwali, which is called the Festival of Lights. And what is the time of this festival? The festival occurs in either October or November, यानी कि इन दोनों months में every year it is celebrated. और इसकी duration कितनी होती है? It is being celebrated for 5 days. And how do people celebrate it? They go to temple. They light oil lamps, they do lighting, this is why it is called a lighting festival. लोग अपने जो homes हैं इनको different colors जो हैं जिसको रंगोली कहा जाता है उससे celebrate करते हैं. Let me just show you rangoli. This is actually rangoli and this is made on the floor. Then families and friends they exchange gifts as well. Then comes another festival which is called Vaisakhi and it is the harvest season celebrated by the Sikhs. सिख जो रिलीजन है वो इसको सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. दे सेलिब्रेट इट इन अप्रैल व्हेन दे हार्वेस्ट देयर क्रॉप्स and the time is April depending on the harvest as well. और इसकी duration कितनी है? It lasts just for 1 day. How do people celebrate it? They visit Gurdwaras, which are the Sikh temples. They offer prayers and they also participate in different processions. यानी कि बड़े बड़े जो ग्रोह हैं वो निकलते हैं. They sing their own, they chant their own songs and this is how they celebrate it. So my dear students, पाकिस्तान में मुख्तलिफ religious diversities हैं और हर जो religion है it is allowed to celebrate its own festival, religious festivals at different time periods in the year. And this is called interfaith and harmony. And all the religions, they must be respected because this is interfaith and harmony. Now you will complete the formative check in your workbook and also in your book. And your teacher will assign you with the homework that is under Thrive. So my dear students, I will see you in the next lesson. Have a great day. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.